In this video, I will be doing today's math lesson with you here in the classroom. We are all set up and ready to do math. Our friends have their books open to page 83. If you would please open up your red Sadler math book to page 83, and we can begin. If you remember, boys and girls, yesterday we started talking about subtraction or taking away. And I told you that subtraction is really not that different from addition. We're just looking at the problems in a different way. So instead of taking two parts and bringing them together to make a whole, we're starting with a whole and we're breaking it into parts. Okay? So if you know your addition very well, subtraction will be quite easy for you because really subtraction is just working backwards through your addition sentences or equations, okay? So yesterday we talked about subtracting from 5 or less. Today we're going to keep plugging along. This time we're going to look at subtracting from 6 or less. So our whole, or our total, will be 6 or less, and we'll be breaking it apart, okay? So at the very top of page 83, it says subtract from 6 or less. Emma picks up 6 leaves. So I want you all to circle 6 leaves. And I'm just going to draw. I guess I need to flip my screen. All right, that's better. I'm going to draw 6 leaves. And I'm not the world's greatest drawer, so bear with my leaves. They're just going to be 1, 2, 3. I guess I could keep them on the screen. 4, 5, 6. And then I'll give them little stems. All right, those are my leaves. So Emma picks up 6 leaves. We have an Emma in our class. She gives away 4 red leaves. Okay, so circle 4 red leaves. And I'm going to take my pink, or you know what, I think I have a red right here. Look at that. So I'm going to color in 4 of her leaves red because it says that she gives away 4 red leaves. Okay, so here's 1 red leaf, 2 red leaves, 3 red leaves, 4 red leaves. Okay, so there's her 6 leaves. 4 of them are red and she gives them away. Then it says Emma keeps the green leaves that are left. So how many are left? Well, as you can see, they circled the 4 red leaves and they told them to go fly a kite. See you later, sister. That means that the leaves that are left, Emma, are your green leaves. So how many green leaves do you have? Emma? 2. So if I were to write this out as a subtraction equation, I would write the 6 leaves that Emma started with, take away the 4 leaves that she gave to a friend, equals the 2 leaves that she has left over. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Does everyone understand that? There are 2 green leaves left. Now, we're going to be looking at different objects now and working through subtraction problems. So let's take a look down here where it says practice. And let's look at number 1. They've worked through number 1 for you, but let's look at it anyway just to make sure we fully understand it, okay? So Serafina, number 1 says 3, so I'm going to put a 3 here, take away 1 or minus 1. And then what they did was they drew out 3 circles. They had 3 circles here. 1, 2, 3. And they said that this circle went away. So this was 1, 2, 3 circles, and they took 1 away. So then, Serafina, how many circles were left? 2. So go ahead and trace that 2. And then another way of writing that, just like we can write addition up and down or side to side, we can write subtraction up and down and side to side as well. So we can either say 3 minus 1 equals 2, Or we can say 3 minus 1 equals 2. Both of those would be correct. Okay? All right, let's take a look now at number 2, Lillian. They've got some circles drawn out there like this. They have a blue circle, and they have some pink circles or red circles. And then they wrote out the addition sentence 2 ways. 3 take away 2 equals. And then they wrote it this way. 3 take away 2 equals. So we need to figure out the answers for here and for here. So Lillian, the first thing they did, they have their 3. They took these 2 and they said, go away, take them away. How many did that leave? Just 1. So you can put a 1 there. And you can put a 1 there. 3 take away 2 equals 1. We start small. No, we're not taking bathroom breaks right now, honey, because this is a lesson we really need to learn, okay? When the lesson's done, you're welcome to go. Thank you. All right. The reason we start small with these easy numbers is because if you can understand it with little numbers, then the bigger the numbers get, the more you'll understand, okay? So now we're going to move up to number 3. And it says 4 minus 2. And those look like bottles of glue, don't they? So I'm not going to try to get fancy and draw some bottles of glue because I'm not the world's best artist. But I'll just do little 1, 2, 3, 4 little rectangles, and we'll put a little triangle on top. And we'll call those my bottles of glue. Is that fair? Okay. So we have 4 minus 2, or 4 take away 2. So I'm going to take my pencil, circle 2 of them, and tell them to go away. Bye-bye. Lillian, when I take those 2 away, how many do I have left? 2. So 4 minus 2 equals what? 2. And they wrote it 2 different ways. So 4 minus 2 equals 2. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. Remember, you can say minus or take away. It means the same thing, okay? All right, let's look at the bananas. Banana. All right, it says we have 6 bananas. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, I'm not the world's best artist, but there's my 6 bananas. And they want 6 take away or minus 5. So we need to circle, and you can trace 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those bananas are getting gobbled up by monkeys. Victoria, how many bananas did that leave us with? Well, 5 of them went away, so how many did that? So 1, absolutely. And then another way to write that down at the bottom is 6 take away 5 equals 1, or 6 minus 5 equals 1. All right, sports fans, I need you to turn the page now. We're going to go to the top of the next page. We are now at the top of page 84. And we are looking at bottles of water. There are how many bottles of water to start? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 6 to start? Awesome. So we have 6. And how many do they want us to take away, Brooklyn? How many do they want us to take away? Brooklyn, I'm now at the top of page 84. Yep, right up there. See the water bottles? 6 take away. How many? Say it louder. 3. Absolutely. 6 take away 3. So right now, boys and girls, take your pencil and circle 3 water bottles. And then draw your little arrow to tell them that they are going away. Get out of here, water bottles. Hit the road, Jack. And Faith, when I circle those 3 and tell them to get out of town, how many does that leave me? 3. Excellent. So 6 take away 3 equals 3. And they also wrote it left to right. 6 minus 3 equals 3. Make sure you trace those in both pictures and make sure you circle and draw your arrow. All right, Amelia, number 6, we've got some monkey business going on. How many monkeys are there? 5 monkeys. I'm not even going to try to draw monkeys. I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys understand that those circles represent my monkeys, right? So we have 5. And how many are they asking us to take away, Emily? 5. Take away 4. So right now, take your pencil and circle 4 monkeys. And then draw your arrow to tell those monkeys to get out of Dodge. Austin, how many monkeys are left?
1.
Just 1. Beep. So I can write that, woo, my marker's drying up. I can write that 2 ways. 5 minus 4 equals 1. Or I can draw it out this way. 5 take away 4 equals 1. Okay? All right, now it says for number 7, 8, 9, and 10 that we are going to subtract, and we can use our cubes to check our work, okay? So let's look at 2 take away 1, and let's get out our cubes and check our work. All right, so friends at home, if you want to get out your cubes, you are welcome to do that. I'm going to take out 2 cubes here, and if I take away 1 of them, how many do I have left, friends? 1. So go ahead and trace that 1. Now let's look here at number 8. Dominic, how many should I start with in my cube train? Looking at number 8, Dominic, what number am I starting with? 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need 1 more. 6 cubes in my cube train, okay? Let's get it so you can see it. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, Noah, how many am I taking away? Right here, Noah. 6, take away how many? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to take away. How many do I have left, Johnny?
1.
So 6 take away 5 equals 1. Everybody draw 1 there. Okay, for number 9. Emma, what number am I starting with number 9? Look at number 9. What am I starting with? 6. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many should I take away, Emma? 3. So 1, 2, 3 are going away. How many does that leave me with, Emma? 3. So everyone should put a 3 here. And number 10. Ava June, how many should I start with for number 10? 4. And how many should I take away? Beckett, I have 4. How many am I taking away? 3. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye. How many does that leave me with, Victoria? Just 1. So go ahead and put a 1 there. All right, let's take a look at number 11. It says there are 6 flowers in a vase. Some are red and some are pink. Oh, I'm sorry. Some are red and 3 are pink. So how many are red? So we have flowers. We have 1 flower, 2 flower, 3 flower, 4, 5, 6 flowers in a vase. Some are red and 3 are pink. So 1, 2, 3 are pink. How many are red? Isaac? 3. 1, 2, 3. So to write this as a subtraction problem, I could say 6 flowers in a vase. Take away the 3 pink flowers equals the 3 red flowers. My parts are 3 and 3. My whole is 6. And in subtraction, we work from big to small. All right, friends at home, I would like you to skip number 12, go to the next page, and try to work through the next 2 pages on your own. You've got this, friends. Keep circling the ones you're taking away, and don't forget to write your answer both times. Have fun with this. Bye, friends at home.